Hello everyone. Let's talk about Windows Subsystem for Android or WSA. So this video is going to be divided into three parts. In the first part, I'll discuss about how you can get WSA installed on your machine. And on the second part, we'll talk about how to install or sideload apps using Adb on your subsystem. And on the third part, I'll show you how to run a Flutter project in the Windows subsystem for Linux without the need of any Android emulators. So let's begin. So first of all, let me show you how WSA actually looks like. So this is the Windows subsystem for Android, and if you open it, you'll not see anything that interesting other than the simple files option. If you click this button, it will open the default files app for Android, and that's pretty much it. So I've installed a launcher named Smart Launcher, and this is how it looks on the subsystem, and everything is working out pretty much great. This is the Aurora store right there. This is where I download apps and games into the Windows subsystem for Android, and yeah, I can download literally anything that's available on Play Store through this Aurora store. So let's begin to the first step of this installation. So if you're watching this video in later point of time, I don't think it will be this difficult to install WSA on your machine, because it was just literally released yesterday, and it was not released to my country even. It was released for the beta channel insiders on the US, but I installed it through some hooks and crooks. So for installing WSA, you need to follow some steps right there. So this is where you can get Microsoft Store or Windows Store's apps standalone. You need to paste this URL. I'll link this URL in the description itself, and you need to select the slow channel and hit enter. After this loads up, you need to download this file, msixbundle file, which is around 1.21 GBs in size. You can download this on the downloads folder of your library, and you need to actually install it through PowerShell. So let me show you how we can install it through PowerShell. So you need to search for PowerShell, and first of all you need to navigate to the folder that you have downloaded your file. Let's say I've downloaded that file on the downloads folder. I've changed my directory to the downloads folder, and so let's assume that the file is here. So I need one last command to install it. This and the command is this. You need to paste this command. This is the command to add the appxPackage to path and install it, and the final portion of the command would be to paste the location of the MXIS bundle. It would be helpful for you if you rename the bundle to something like WSA, so that you don't have to type out the whole thing right there, and you can type wsa.msixbundle, and this will now install the Windows subsystem for Android in your machine. After you got this installed, you can see it pop out on the recommended section, or you can even search for it. I pinned it on start menu for simplicity's sake. So after opening the Windows subsystem for Android, you need to scroll down and you need to turn on the developer mode, which will give you a localhost address and a port to connect to via ADB. So now let's start installing ADB. So what you can do is I'll link this file in the description itself, and you can download this zip file and extract it here on your system. After you've successfully extracted it, you need to open it. Make sure adb.exe is there. So now the final step, you need to open a terminal in this folder, and after you've done this, there are two commands that I want you to know, and the first is Adb Devices. It will show you the devices that are currently connected to your system. You must be seeing nothing right there at first, so that is what you need to configure. Open Windows subsystem for Android again, and take note of this IP address right there. I don't know what this is used for, and you need to type the command adb connect 127.0.0.1 58526. uh, this might be different on your system. And after it says connected to this machine, you can again type the adb devices command, and you'll see your Windows subsystem for Android right there. So now what you need to do is open the Flutter project, and it will automatically detect your subsystem because you have connected to it through adb. Now you can select this and run the project. It might take some extra time for the first compilation of the project. As you can see, the app successfully opened, and it will work pretty much smoothly. Yeah, it's working fine. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and join my Discord link in the description. Thank you.